Welcome to Eclectic Self-Protection, Self-Defense Systems UK. In this video we're going to be talking about the OODA loop and the conceptual thinking behind each stage. The OODA loop is the second premium model used in Eclectic Self-Protection covered under Awareness and Evaluation. The OODA loop is an acronym used to describe a response to a certain type of stimulus. It was created by a guy called Colonel John Boyd in the 1950s, who was a Korean fighter pilot who used to train pilots underneath him. He believed that a person or a pilot could overcome their attacker or assailant by destroying the mental process of the mind. The OODA loop is divided into 4 stages: observation, orientation, decision and action. Let's go into more detail about what each of these stages involves. Observation includes our ability to be aware of, for example, a person stepping out of shadows, a group that splits up in your view, or a person seemingly following you. The decision-making process cannot happen until observation has been made. This brings us right back to awareness. For example, you may be in Jeff Cooper's color code yellow, you're switched on, you have 360 degrees environmental awareness. You're therefore going to be more likely to pick up on these types of things happening around you. Orientation indicates a position relative to another position and our ability to adapt, apply and create towards it. For example, a person stepping out of shadows, our brain will immediately determine if we know that person, if we recognize them, if they appear threatening, and our position relative to theirs. Someone who's already trained in a particular martial arts system or self-protection system is going to be more quicker in picking up on these things than someone who's not trained in the system. So training in a particular self-protection system is well worth the effort. Decision. Once information is processed, the actual decision must be made. The brain is going to decide what to do, but the more we clutter with information, the longer our reaction time. At this point it's important to mention you should be aware of what's called Hicks' law, which at a basic level states that the fewer techniques or fewer choices we have, the quicker our response time. This therefore indicates that when employing self-defense measures, you should get yourself used to a few techniques which are user-friendly and very easy to apply in a real-life situation. Therefore our reaction, our process and our decision-making time is going to be a lot quicker. Action. Once an outcome has been decided, you must act on it and put it into play. This is never going to be an exact science. Every self-defense situation you go into is going to be different. So our action is going to be determined by our observation or orientation decision. For example, dealing with one person is going to be completely different dealing with 2 people or multiple attackers. Disarming a blade compared to disarming a gun is going to be different. If we're protecting a third person, our OODA loop is going to be different. So an OODA loop in every situation is not going to be an exact science. After this video you'll see a picture summarising the OODA loop. Please take note of this and always remember to practice good self-protection and rely on your awareness before any other outcome. Thanks for watching. We are Eclectic Self-Protection, Self-Defense Systems UK. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and also our website. You can also visit our blogs and our forum on our website for more support information. See you next time.